Good morning. We're going to be doing a little work this morning, trying to forge a knife out of a railroad spike I got from a buddy of mine. So we'll try doing that. You may notice that the quality is a little better. Got a new camera rig. So thanks to my brother for that one. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
And we're going to go ahead and get making this knife. So you can see I made a couple railroad spike knives before. And so I made this one a while back. But it's too thick and it doesn't have a hard step right here where that bevel starts. So I want to make a thinner one. Yeah, I got a bucket full of those spikes. I'm gonna find a good one. But I want to make something thinner, like a fillet knife. So that'll work. About this?
Luke, where are we at right now?
Home.
No, I mean, where are we at in the build?
I was trying to be dramatic. Also, this is going to be like a semi-functional knife because, railroad spikes aren't really known to be the greatest of steels. They're supposed to bend and stretch more than harden and break. So this sucks.
You do that.
Got a couple more heats. Then we'll probably take it to grinding, I guess. But after we do that, we'll let it normalize, I guess. Because we put a good amount of stress on that. I don't know, it's not super high carbon steel, so I think we can get away with not normalizing it for a few cycles. So we'll go to grinding.